Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for staying with us. Porridge, like from an oven, slow-cooked grain at a low temperature, is a wonderful food. Such porridge is many times tastier than the usual one cooked in a hurry, as if it's a completely different dish. And you might ask, Professor, where am I supposed to cook this? I don't have a clay pot or a Russian oven at home, but let me tell you, that's not a problem at all.
Both can be imitated.
Instead of a clay pot, you can use a thick-walled pot with a tightly fitting lid. Fry the whole grain in it with melted clarified butter, pour in hot water, and bring it to a boil on regular heat. Add salt, cover it, and put it in an oven preheated to 150 degrees. If the lid doesn't fit tightly, wrap the seam with foil. Now, every 10 minutes, lower the temperature by 10 to 15 degrees, as if the oven were gradually cooling down. When the temperature reaches 80 degrees, turn off the heat and leave the porridge in the oven for 1 hour. Now try it and feel the difference.
That's all for today. Stay with us.